Denise Morris here, and today's quick fix video is about using Copilot to help you reference a file when working with a prompt. What I mean by that is if Copilot is giving you a generic answer, you might need to take it and make it look at a certain reference point, a file, a presentation, an Excel workbook. Let me show you how to do that. Working here inside of Word, I have my Copilot open, and we can see that I am going to ask it a question. I want it to create a template file from a previous meeting notes document. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the backslash, and I'm going to put in the file that I am discussing. So it's the April 8th meeting notes right here. I'm going to say create a document template from the file while it thinks. Starting to populate, and it is telling me to replace the bracketed text and add items under each section. I'll let it continue to populate. So here is the finished product, and I can click done, and it tells me what it did. It created a reusable meeting notes template in this active Word document modeled on the structure, and then it says that I can tell it whether I'd prefer more information, rename the sections, add more fields to the template. So I click done, and let's compare it to the original file. So original file here on the left, new template file on the right, and we can see that it continues down, creating. We can see where it changed some of the information. This says overview. This was a specific overview. This was framework approach, and continues down the page. Much faster than creating it on your own. Now, whenever you're asking Copilot something specific, it can now give you a specific answer instead of guesswork. So remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.